Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with PhoneArena.com and you're watching the video review of the Xolo A600. Budget Android smartphones with dual SIM capabilities never seem to stop coming, and today we have another budget Android smartphone from an Indian manufacturer. The Xolo A600 is currently priced at around 7,100 rupees and comes with a decent display, a dual-core processor and a 5-megapixel camera on its back. Is it worth buying? Let's find out. The build and design of the Xolo A600 contradict its pricing and the budget category that it belongs to. On the front, we have a glass slab that has the display beneath it, and on the sides and back, we have a matte finish material which gives the device great grip. The top and bottom parts of the phone have a chrome finish material, enhancing the premium look. On the front, we have the 4.5-inch display which occupies most of the real estate. Above the display, we have the Xolo logo, above which we have the earpiece. Towards the left of the earpiece, we have the proximity and ambient sensor combination, and towards further left, we have the front-facing camera. Below the display, we have 3 capacitive touchkeys for navigation and a mouthpiece along the bottom edge. On the right side, we have the power lock switch, and on the left, we have the volume rocker. Over at the top, we have a 3.5mm audio jack and the micro USB port. The keys are made of the similar matte material that dominates, and haptic feedback is average. The keys are not clunky though. On the back, we have a 5-megapixel camera on the top left with the LED flash just below it. There is a Xolo logo on the center and a speaker on the bottom left corner. The Xolo A600 comes with a removable back cover, and on removing it, we have a 1900 mAh battery with 2 mini SIM card slots and the micro SD card slot placed between them. In terms of handling, the 4.5-inch form factor makes it easy to handle when compared to those 5-inch plus phablets. However, the sharp edges can feel unnatural against the hands. One of the telling points of this budget smartphone is its 4.5-inch QHD display. This 4.5-inch panel is an IPS panel that houses 540 by 960 pixels and has a pixel density of 245 ppi. In terms of display quality, the display is definitely good. Thanks to the high pixel density, it is hard to notice pixels from a decent distance from the phone. When looked head-on, which is how you look at the device most of the times, the colors are quite nice. The viewing angles aren't the greatest, and it is just a 2-point multi-touch screen, which is slow when compared to 5-point multi-touch that you usually see on other phones. Overall, the display, though average, gets the job done. The Xolo A600 is powered by a 1.3 GHz dual-core processor from MediaTek, the MT6572W chipset. Graphics are taken care of by the Mali 400 GPU that accompanies the processor, and there is 512 MB of RAM to keep the device going. Out of the 512 MB RAM, 467 MB RAM is usable, and when the device is idle, around 200 MB is free. Xolo A600 comes with 4 GB internal storage, and out of 4 GB you get 1.27 GB available for app installation, and remaining 1.27 is user accessible. There is also a micro SD slot to expand the internal storage, and yes, apps can be moved to SD card. In terms of performance, the Xolo A600 is a disappointment. The device is slow and sluggish 8 out of 10 times, and the dual-core processor MT6572W is just not up to the mark, and its performance is underwhelming. Over at the back of the Xolo A600 is the 5MP camera and a 0.3MP camera on the front. The rear camera is capable of recording 720p videos. The camera application is a typical MediaTek camera app and comes with a familiar camera UI. On the left, we have a scrollable list of camera modes that includes normal, HDR, panorama and smile shot. On the right side of the viewfinder, we have the flash and the front or rear camera toggles on the top. To the right of it, on the top right corner, we have the shortcut to gallery. Below the gallery shortcut icon, we have the separate photo and video shutter buttons. In terms of camera quality, the performance of Xolo A600 is just average. Indoor images have a lot of noise and outdoor shots lack colors. Generally, the photos are muted and lack appeal. The Xolo A600 runs on a near-stock version of Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. Xolo, however, has added a few of their applications for supposedly better experiences. Some of the apps that Xolo have pre-installed on the A600 include Xolo Care, Xolo Power and Xolo Secure. Xolo Care application registers your device for warranty, lets you check for OTA updates, and lets you contact Xolo customer care via call, message or email. Xolo Power is an interesting battery application that lets you manage your battery efficiently, and Xolo Secure helps you protect your device from malware threats and back up your personal data to the cloud. The A600 has a 1900 mAh user replaceable lithium polymer battery. The battery life is quite good for a dual SIM smartphone, and with both SIMs turned on and moderate usage, you can easily get a whole day of usage. In terms of connectivity, you get typical smartphone connectivity options like Wi-Fi, 3G, Bluetooth, micro USB and GPS. Only one SIM supports 3G though. In the end, the Xolo A600 is a typical budget smartphone with a good build quality and good battery life, but finds itself a little above the budget price line considering the features it offers and the performance it delivers. Listed here are the pros and cons of this device. And that's it for our review. Do let us know what you think in the comment section below. We hope you enjoyed it. Do hit the like button if you did, and do hit the subscribe button if you want more videos like these. For the full review, do check our blog. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.